Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you joined us. Today we're diving into a quick but super useful Power BI beginner tip, how to change the position of a legend in your Power BI chart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly how to reposition the legend in your visuals, but also understand why tweaking the legend's spot can make your reports look cleaner and a whole lot easier to read. Let's jump right in. First up, open Power BI and head over to your report where you've got a chart. In this example, we're using a simple stacked column chart. Now, if you're not familiar with legends, let me quickly explain. The legend is that little guide usually sitting alongside your chart, using color coding to tell your viewers what each piece of your chart represents. It's like the map key for your data, so making sure it's in the right spot can really help your audience decode your visuals quickly. Maybe you've noticed your legend is blocking part of your chart, or perhaps your data labels are getting cramped. No worries, Power BI makes it super easy to change where your legend sits. With your chart selected, let's look over to the right side of the screen at the Visualizations pane. This is where all the magic happens for formatting your visuals. Once you're in the Visualizations area, look for a little paint roller icon. That's the Format Your Visual button. Click it to reveal a whole set of options for tweaking your chart's look and feel. Now in the search box or by scrolling through, type or locate legend. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes it's tucked further down the formatting options, so just take a moment and scroll until you find it. Once you're in the legend section, you'll see an option labeled position. This is where you get full control over where your legend will show up. Click on that position drop-down list, and you'll see several places you can move your legend. It might be top right, bottom left, center right, and a few others depending on the chart type. Think about your own data for a second. Maybe the upper part of your chart isn't too busy, and placing the legend at the top right helps keep everything tidy. Or perhaps your viewers are more used to looking at the bottom of a chart for keys, so you'd pop it down there. As you change the position, you'll see the legend move instantly on your chart. Take a moment, try out a couple different spots, and see which one works best for your data and for the overall layout of your report. There's no single right answer, just what's most clear and visually pleasing for your viewers. And remember, if you don't like where it ends up, you can always switch it back just as easily. It's really that simple. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to change the position of your chart legend in Power BI. This tiny tweak can make a big difference in how professional and readable your reports look, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions, or if there's something else in Power BI you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. I love hearing your suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hands-on Power BI tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy reporting.